Welcome to Foshan Shengbang Steel Structure Company Limited, manufacturing and trading combo, specializing steel structure design, manufacturing, construction, and installation. We also set up a design department. Then the engineer customize the drawings and solve problems for customers based on their local needs. When fabrication drawings are completed, the workshop will prepare the structural components. The steel plate is cut by multi-head CNC cutting machine. And it is assembled into H-beam shape, which is then welded by submerged arc welding. Drilling holes. The production of riveter, and then weld, the semi-finished product is completed. When the semi-finished product is done, we make a shot blasting and descaling treatment on its surface, and paint the color as customers orders. Once all materials are fabricated, they will be loaded on a transport truck and delivered to the worksite. Our top sale product are steel structure convention center, bar, gymnasium, which are included in the project of Hop Up King Peninsula on-site. Zhuhai Steel Structure Quarrying Workshop, multiple transmission belts, Thailand dormitory and office. Thailand warehouse. Guangxi Man Workshop. Malaysia warehouse. Nigeria office. Dominican warehouse. Jamaica supermarket. Large steel structure workshop. Brunei office. Steel warehouse building. Multi-story steel structure warehouse. Badminton hall. Food factory. other steel structure buildings.